got them.
Oh, what the? Really?
And like you said, they got a lot of weapons left. I don't think they'll struggle to
Yeah, let me move over and then you can pass me.
Without marksmanship.
Idiot.
That's true.
Nice cutoff. Yeah.
Yeah, well, even their veteran guys who you don't think of as being, you know, great talents.
Oh, nice cutoff.
Rochelle will be a tough out.
Wednesday for lunch, all right? Fucking have a word with me Monday morning, you cunt. All right? I'm still coming off the high of...
Seriously. You're like 2 inches from my bumper, dude.
What's up, everybody? I'm saying this.
Upstate New York.
I did hear this, and I think Andrew could attest to this. I heard that the
nice cutoff.
Casinos and betting.
Oh, apparently someone else gets cut off. It's not just me. Good job. I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Something natural. Nice cutoff.
He could sing his songs. You could start playing I Left My Heart, and he would jump in.
Nice cutoff.
He would start singing. And he had St. Louis. Right. Almost worked.
Keep him from getting inside him and being able to catch the ball, and he made the interception. The bottom line is this offense has been broken. It had to be changed. I don't care if they were 4-1. It still had.
Nice cutoff.
They were 4-1. The only reason they're in those games is terrible game management, all kinds of penalties that are never corrected, and game planning on the offensive side that was
really
just abysmal. He's not an offensive coach, I understand that, but he's the head coach. I heard someone say that, well, Sal had nothing to do with the offense. What do you mean?
Yeah, you had to go all the way over there.
He has something to do with everything.
It's coming up. Let's be in the left lane for some reason.
He's the head coach.
Uh-oh. Red light run.
Didn't go to second base, the cop going to walk in. That's the respect they're going to show him. That's the respect they're going to show him. But
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Trying to catch something, you know, where their husband's at work. That's like the whole vibe. As the sun spills into the fucking kitchen. Real estate agents are a bunch
time
of
for a right turn up there. Right turn from the middle lane.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? All right, that's the podcast, everybody. Go fuck yourselves. Enjoy the football tonight.
What the fuck are you doing? Get out of my lane. Yeah, how's that?
I don't buy it. All right, I'm babbling. This is the Thursday podcast.
4-1, everybody be happy. No, they wouldn't. I sat here.
Red light run
Sunday
down there.
If they had won these two.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Down. Sorry, coach, it's too late to tell me stop. Are you gonna stop? Of course not. No, stop behind me.
But now that I got slow company, everybody wanna come to me like it was some disease, but you won't get a crumb from me.
No, stop, small dick.
I told them all. I don't know.
Forgetting that Jesus was an illegal immigrant coming back after his parents took him to Egypt. Can you imagine?
Extra regret.
Joseph trying to prove he was the biological father.
All I ever needed is here and no stop. Oh, someone actually stopped. Amazing.
Who can fix this offense and get rid of your friend. And I don't care what you did in the past.
Red light run.
I don't care who else was an influence. This guy.
I don't know, maybe later than that, I forget. But they wrote a letter to Heidegger where he said the purpose of trying to...
Red light run, red light run. Two of them ran the red light. Hello? It's so exhausting waiting for people to pass by before turning out, you know? No, stop. Red light, run. Exit dive way up there. Red light, run. Let's cut off. That is not hot.
To funny things, make people laugh, in the service of helping people understand our universe around us. It must be just a really
Nice cut off.
Well, it is because I love it.
You say no, I don't say no.
Let me start this off.
How does it say no?
I started
Nice
off.
cut off.
Of all the places that know.
It was relegated back to the society pages. Which
Really?
was a
No.
terrible insult because
Just
you know,
stay there.
it was.
You'd
And
be
so she said,
fine.
"Fuck it," and she fled. 4 months later,
After being sentenced to death. And according to Radlett's research, originally published in 1987,
Hey, what the?
at least 23
Really?
innocent people were executed in the U.S. between 1905 and 1970.
Yeah, turn left, and you're in the right lane.
That was research at that time.
Stop it!
We still have these. And then trying to overturn those decisions, those inadvertent mistakes by someone who was maybe trying to do a good thing.
No,
like
stop.
Volunteering a pro bono effort and really wasn't prepared for
Up to this point, this didn't work out great for the French. As it happens, the Vietnamese.
No, turn on red.
Quickly, they were better off catching around.
No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We're in upstate New York. This high 390. That left lane's about to end anyways. He's merging back over again anyways. Everything is fine. Everything is great. I am not complaining. I only sing this song as a joke. For some of you people out there, relax. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!